Hi, I'm Aisha, and today I'm going to show you how to create super simple projects using your Cricut Mug Press and Infusible Ink Pens. Today we're using the Cricut Explore 3, but any of the Cricut machines can be used to recreate this project. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. For this project, you will need a Cricut Mug Press positioned on a heat-resistant surface. We've used the Easy Press mat here. The Cricut Explore 3 and Light Grip cutting mat. An Infusible Ink compatible blank mug. Cricut heat-resistant tape. Cricut Infusible Ink Pens. Cricut tools including scissors and the brayer. A lint cloth or roller. A4 copy paper. And a laptop or desktop device with Cricut Design Space installed. To start, open the Design Space app and search Mug in the search bar at the top of the screen. Select the Mug Design Setup project and the size mug you'll be creating. This can be found on the bottom of your mug. Once selected, click Customize. Add your chosen images and text to the template on screen. Here we've used Lino Cut B and Beehive on a branch. It's important that the designs you use are draw-only images. Resize and customize as desired, making sure the elements are set to draw. Once the design is complete, hide the template and attach the elements. Duplicate the mug template 3 times to prevent the Infusible Ink Pen from marking the heat plate on your mug press. Once through to the map preview screen, make sure the mirror function is enabled, then select Continue. On the machine setup screen, select the relevant material setting. We've used laser copy paper. Secure the copy paper to the cutting mat using a brayer. Load the mat into the machine and place the pen into clamp A. Press the Start button to begin the cut. Once all the mats have been drawn and cut, carefully remove the sheets from the mat. Use a lint roller or cloth to remove any small pieces of dust or fluff that may have become attached to the mug. Place the mug press on a heat-resistant surface, then power on and wait for it to heat up. The power button will turn green when it's ready to use. Whilst waiting for the machine to heat up, wrap the design around the mug using heat-resistant tape to secure it in place. Then, take the 3 duplicated blank templates and wrap these around the mug last. Place the mug into the press and push the lever down to close the heat plates around the mug, ensuring the whole of the design is enclosed. Once the timer is complete, a beep will sound. Lift the lever and carefully remove the mug by the handle and place it on a heat-resistant surface until cool. Once the mug is cold, remove the drawn design. Your mug is then complete. Thanks for joining me for this video. For Cricut project inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and a comment below as we love to see them. See you soon for more videos.